I'm going to interview the Livestock for their point of view on current geopolitical events and our recent news. Sir, what are your thoughts on the new Biden presidency? Ma'am, where's your mask? Ma'am, where's your mask? Ma'am, 6 feet. 6 feet, ma'am. Sir, can you share with me your concerns for the safety of the nation in light of the recent protests in Washington, D.C.? Ma'am, your thoughts? Your thoughts? Sir, your thoughts? Ma'am, you there in the back. Ma'am, what are your thoughts? Sir, your thoughts? Ma'am, your thoughts? I'm not getting anywhere. Maybe I'm not a good interviewer. I'll try elsewhere. Sir, your thoughts on the new Biden presidency? Sir, I'm sorry. Ma'am, what are your thoughts on the new Biden presidency? Ma'am, sir, ma'am, I'm not sure if you're a sir or a ma'am. That's common. Ma'am, what are your concerns of the recent safety of our nation? Aren't you concerned for the safety of our nation in these violent protests from these vile Trump supporters? Ma'am, what are your thoughts? Ma'am, sir, can I have your thoughts? Sir, your thoughts. Sir, ma'am, sir, your thoughts? Sir, ma'am, your thoughts? Your thoughts? Ma'am, your thoughts? Ma'am, your thoughts, ma'am? All right, ma'am. May I just have a minute of your time? Just your thoughts. Ma'am, your thoughts? Ma'am, your thoughts? Your thoughts? Your thoughts, ma'am? Ma'am, may I? Just a moment of your time. Please, just a moment of your time. Please, I'll be brief. Ma'am, sir, may I? Sir, oh, I'm sorry. Sir. I get the feeling that they're really disinterested in my questioning. Seems like it's very important. Topics of the day. A lot of our time is occupied watching the television. Just thought it might be an important event. Important questions of the day.